Ross, get your gun, man.
I'm blue. It's blinking? It's blinking red?
Yeah, I can see myself too.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, go ahead and pull on down there, Bubba. They going on past them. They gonna come up here, Bubba. They going that back our way. What you gonna? Go ahead, driver. Go ahead, driver. Negative. They swinging. They coming back in. They coming back to us. They coming back to us. I lied, they done split up, Bubba. Can that go too? Not if he shoot.
Y'all missed the buck. I ain't know why Jesse and
Get in the truck, Bubba.
damn fucking feet. The buck came out. Goddamn dog. I thought, man, the damn buck shoot across. I look, I said, damn, a nice little bastard.
Yeah?
Bitch had a nice rock on it. They went straight cross through that bitch, man.
Damn.
Damn. Boy, Jesse do some hella fine shit.
Yeah, so.
You saw that?
You seen the dude?
Yeah, I saw him.
What's up?
He was on the side of the woods.
Put that gun down, boy, before you shoot me.
I don't got no shoes. I took my one shoe out.
Yeah. Shane?
Oh, yeah, you got dogs coming this way?
Yeah. They about to cross that dirt road up there, ain't it? But I got one going back to that highway back there. Behind us.
I think them dogs turn around. We should have had somebody in that field.
They ain't turn around, boy. Them dogs keep going. There's some dog way ahead of them other dogs.
Yeah, I know they running different deals, though.
Yeah, I know. I missed the fuck out that damn deal.
What's the shop on?
Dogs up there running too.
Oh, no, right here.
Yeah, there's something right here. And dogs going to the highway up there, boy. I think so.
Huh?
So ain't no way I missed that bitch coming straight at me, boy.
You should have waited a minute.
I should have, but that bitch was gonna turn. I could see that shit, boy. I wish I had kept my gun out. Kai, you got a shell in your gun?
Huh?
Where your shell at, Kai? A shell in the gun? Right here, it's right here, right here. Damn, Kai. There ain't no shell in the gun. Damn, I seen that, man, bro. He ain't had no shell in the gun. I said, damn, I just said. Big Jack.
Yep, we're running different deals, bro. Captain Chris,
come here, Big Jack. Come here, Big Jack. Come here, Big. Come here, Big Jack. Come here. 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 Come here.
Man, they running nothing but dead in that bitch, bro.
They going back, boy. He going back. Fuck it.
Some of them done turn now. Big ass though, too.
Hell yeah, I could have killed. Rest of the dog come right here. Peaches. Ike. Come here, Ike. Come here, Ike. Come here. Where?
Yeah.
The dog still running, ain't it?
That's a different set right here. I guess.
I got dogs running up there too.
I got second down. They're about to cross right here.
It did uncross right here.
You got one of mine?
There's one fall right there.
No. Damn.
Damn, boy, I gotta turn it back on. I hope I don't lose Big Red. That way back there.
Pull back, John. Pull back.
Pull back, wait, back that way.
Back there, back up, back up. They running something different up there.
They ain't running nothing but there, bro.
Yes, sir. Where the shell at, boy?
It's showing.
Alright, put it over there. Next time when you wanna come that close, I'm gonna smoke that.
Huh?
I said next time when I come, I'm gonna smoke that. Shit, Big Red running somewhere. Big Red done cross running too.
Dogs in it?
No.
I got 2 dogs going up there.
You kill them?
Who shoot?
Alright.
I got 1 dog there.
Put that down.
Can I put that gun back in the truck, boy? That's just in case.
Alright, dog going back. Just look out.
I gotta go back this way to go get my damn Big Red dog. Shit, my dogs ain't going back. Some of them is, but some of them up here.
Yeah, I got one up there. The rest of my shit going.
Shit, 2 up there running. Damn. Shit, we better get up there. They running like a there, boy. Watch out, Kai. Watch out. Just say I'm gonna hit. I put my damn gun.
This one I'm gonna shoot. Cause I shoot shotgun this one. I got 2 shotguns this one. You too? Oh, so happy. Daddy, something's wrong. The thing came off.
That's alright. Put that gun up. Just leave it back there. Put it up. We done turned that. Hey, I might pull on that dirt road up there. They about to come to that dirt road right there. Nah. Hey, I had one door cross right at the tailgate just now, bro. If he had shells in that 410, I was about to shoot him. They going back in there, ain't it?
Thank you, Cracker Dumb. You want to let this girl walk?
They going back.
Make sure they ain't crossing out.
No, they going back. The dogs that were going to the dirt road done turned.
Yeah, but I was gonna make sure he ain't cross.
I got you. Shit, they done run plenty of up out of there, Bubba.
Jam full. Other dogs going back. They found the calling them now. They going back in the hunt. They at that same field you shoot at right now.
Yep.
In the back of that same field right now.
Look like they making that swing to come back toward either here or that highway. Them dogs that's right here. They coming to this dirt road right here.
Daddy, here. Here, Daddy.
This stick right there. Yeah, them other ones done turned.
One I had coming over there, they got to go back in the hunt,
I still got 3 right here running.
Back here?
Yeah, right here in the cutout running.
I got one over here. I got one in here.
Yeah.
One going back like he going back in the hunt. My other one's passing that same field we turned loose in right now.
Yeah, they going back in the hut. The other one going back in the hut. The other one, I got one going back in the hut too that was right here, but I still got 2 here now.
Yeah, bro, I'm about to go back around the other side, bro. Crossing that field right now.
Gun up, Bubba. Put it down.
You still got some over?
Yeah, I got one. You got the rest of them over the other one.
Come here.
I'll be still on the phone.
Yeah. Well, the dog's out the hunt. We trying to get him to go in the hunt.
And kill a buck at the same time.
Shit, I just missed you. See that?
The bears off the hunt.
Yeah.
Are they coming to get him? Huh?
I said yeah.
You got dogs on the 521. How about it, Monroe?
How about it, Jonathan? Just put that gun up so nobody can see it. Damn, truck facing wrong fucking way. Let me go turn around. Them dogs going back in the hunt now, boy. They about to bring that bitch right back here. Close the door, close the door, close the door. Shut up! Come here, dog. Come here, dog. Come here a little bit. 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 They're going back that way. Come here, come here, come here, come here. They overrunning. Come here, come here, come here. No, they went back. They went back. Huh? Yeah, they went back. Yeah, dog still running. Hey, the dog. Matter of fact, the dog going to the highway, going to the dirt road. Shut up! Shut up! Oh, double O. Hey, Jonathan. Jonathan. Shut up, dog. Come here, Peaches. Come here, Peaches. Come here, Peaches. Shut up. Shut up. Hey, anybody at the top of Breland Road right by Liberty Hill?
I'm okay, Chris.
Alright, 10-4, red up there. I'm down here with I'm down here at the 301, on 301. Those dogs running again. They going to that stop sign down there now. They might be about to go to the valley.
You still out there on the highway, Chris?
Yeah, 10-4, them dogs still running, they going to the valley.
10-4, money in the valley.
10-4.
My other dog cross out might be with red, boy. They running there too. You ain't seen them cross the highway though?
No, ain't nothing across the highway. They going, no, they ain't nothing across the highway. Came to the highway, turn back. They crossing the dirt road now, boy.
They running too. They running separate though.
Yep. Yeah, I got two of yours. The dog's right there at the valley, boy. I'm about to pull down there and get them.
There's some other dog running right there where you at.
Sure.
I'll come up there.
Some dogs like that, bro.
Huh? So dogs running right there? Yeah, he says dogs running. But I got dogs up there on thing.
Get back, get.
They running going back that way, but I got to go get them bitches. I can't stay here, boy. And they have dogs they'll cross behind the clubhouse, boy. They'll cross behind the clubhouse running. You heard me?
Huh?
They'll cross behind the clubhouse running.
It is?
Swear to God. Dogs done cross behind the clubhouse running, boy.
Yeah, for the money shoot. The dog on the going down the road.
Negative, but they rolling.
I'm on top of the other ones right here on the highway. They running too, bro.
Alright, well, I'm about to get on top of those down there.
They coming right there to you. Where you at?
Yeah, go ahead.
I go ahead.
Alright, 10-4. I'm talking about these dogs. They going to the they going New Vibe right now.
The clubhouse. They behind the clubhouse.
Yeah, they going New Vibe.
Sure, right?
Yeah, 10-4.
Okay, they're about New Vibe. You copy me?
Yeah, I copy. I'm just about to stop, bro.
Oh, well, you can go ahead.
Jonathan right here, so we good.
Alright, go ahead. They were coming to the highway, 9 and 20 damn day.
right here. They come out in that field right there past that house. Yep, right there. Stop right there.
Look at the dog there. Look at the dog there. The dog come back out winning.
10-4.